how to show or hide workout health data on the iPhone lock screen. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And in Settings, we then scroll down. And from here, tap on Face ID and Passcode. Now enter in the passcode. Then we scroll down. And from here, tap on Workout Health Data. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When this is turned on, and if you have workout activities going on, so if I turn on health activity, okay, so when I go to my lock screen, it should shows health data and activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.